Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of refinance coin and what is the next target of refinance coin. As you know, today as the new day, today as the new first day of a new month, that is why we are decided to detect the next target of refinance coin on the basis of technical analysis friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. I know you subscribe my channel, so thank you so much friends. Now if we talk about the current price of refinance coin, so as you can see here, the last at this time price of the refinance coin is about 0.039495 USD dollar is the current price of refinance coin friends. And if we talk about the price change, so the price change the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week change is positive friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the refinance coin friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month price prediction chart, as you can see here on the screen. If we look the price change occur in the refinance coin, oh my god, so the change is negative 0.77%. But don't worry, as you can see here at this point they take a jump, so that's mean that the next the new month of the refinance coin is the best month, the lucky month of refinance coin. Only and only jumps occur in this month friends, so please enjoy these jumps of the refinance coin friends. If we look the previous period, so as you can see here, at this period only and only falls occur in the refinance coin. So I also told you in my many videos that after a falls there is a jump. That is the common phenomena of everything in the world friends. As you can see here, after a night there is a day, after a falls there is a jump in a cryptocurrency market friends. Same like that, if we look the highest price of refinance coin in the last 1 month, so the highest price is about 0.048264 USD dollar is the highest price of refinance coin friends. So I think the 70% chances today take a jump and 30% chances today falls down friends. So what's your opinion about refinance coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.